A question I get asked a lot when people are working with an electronic machine like the Singer Confidence Quilter model 7469Q is, how do I adjust needle position? So when you're sewing or you first select a straight stitch like what we have when we turn the machine on, you'll find that the needle is in the center position. So you have two options here. Your stitch length is this dial, so we can make that stitch length longer or shorter, but this one is stitch width. Now normally with a zigzag or decorative stitch, stitch width will change how wide the stitch stitches. But on a straight stitch, it's needle position. So first go ahead and move that marker till the dot lights up here, and you will find that if your needle is up, you will hear and see it actually move from left to right. So you actually have quite a few needle positions in between the sides and the center, and at any given time you can kind of shift that needle to the left, to the right. If you're sewing a zipper on, if you're doing some top stitching, those are all things that if you adjust your needle position, you will find life will be easy. Now another thing people do ask is if my needle is stopping in the down position and I move this, you'll notice that the needle does not change until it actually comes up out of the fabric. So if I move it all the way to the far left, that once it starts to stitch, then it moves the needle to the left side for stitching. If you want it back to the center, let's bring our needle to the up position with a quick tap of our toe and just select another stitch and come back to a straight stitch. Everything will go back to the normal setting, both in stitch length and needle position. You'll see the lights go off, which means we're back to the default setting.